Hello, welcome to the module on geometric measurement. My name is Dr. Nicole Joseph, and I am an assistant professor of mathematics education at the University of Denver. One of the important aspects of my work is to really understand culturally and linguistically responsive types of practices for students to learn in the teaching and learning, process of mathematics. I've spent several years teaching and working with teachers in urban schools on many of these important issues. This module is really important. It's going to provide teachers a way to think about the knowledge, the skills, and the dispositions that we all need to be effective teachers of multilingual students. Specifically in this module, you will engage in what it can look like, multiple ways, for multilingual students, to use the language of mathematics and their everyday language to communicate what they know and what they understand about geometric measurement. You will also learn how to draw upon their backgrounds to connect that math learning, as well as think about ways to assess your multilingual learners in geometric measurement topics. Finally, you will reflect, as you have done in previous modules, with your colleagues and share your learning. So what do we mean by geometric measurement? Geometric measurement connects geometry, aspects of geometry, as well as number. Measurement is very important in mathematics, in our everyday lives, and science. And across the module, we will be discussing and learning about the importance of concepts such as units and different attributes, and particularly focusing on the aspect of area. This module will help your multilingual learners recognize these ideas. And throughout the module, you'll have an opportunity to engage your multilingual students in some of the following activities. So, for example, you will help your students learn how to recognize and understand the concept of area. The second thing is they're going to be able to explore with tiling and building arrays, which is really a lot of fun. And thirdly, they will see how the concept of arrays can actually help them understand a pretty difficult concept of the distributive property of multiplication. Well, I hope that you find this module helpful, and thank you. Let's begin the module.